guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing my sister's makeup. Hello. And it was highly requested that we did like a makeup video tutorial. So today we will be using the BH Cosmetics palette, Daisy Marquez. As you can see, all the nice pretty colors. You got some pastels, some neons, purples, pinks, yellow, oranges, and
we're just gonna wing it.
Yeah, let's see what happens. You know? Hopefully she likes the makeup I'm gonna do on her today, and we're gonna go ahead and give you a review on this because this is the first time that we're actually both going to try it.
So it'll be your first impressions. Do my makeup.
Chit chat. Get ready with this. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I have already started on her base. I went ahead and used the Tape Shape concealer as a base for the shadow. She went ahead and did her eyebrows as well off camera. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the color Naked on as like the all over shadow. So that's cute. Alright, so then the next color I'm going to be using is Dolce or Dulce. I think that looks pretty good. And then we're going to jump into, I kind of want to jump into the color Karma.
Which one?
Karma or Flower?
You're the expert.
Alright, so I am going to jump into Karma.
Let's dive in.
Actually,
give it to me one time.
Before I hit you with that, let me do Flower. Okay, next I'm going into Karma for red this time.
I'm going to dive in.
Let's see how pigmented this one is. This one's a red. I've never used a red before. Have you?
No.
Let's see how this one looks. So far, pretty good. These colors are pretty good. They're coming out as, you know, true color, right? Like,
Yeah.
the way they look in the pan and the little thing, it's just the way that they look on the face. Alright, so now that we have the basic colors complete, the next thing that we're going to use would be the passion fruit colors, like this like really cute plum color right here. We're going to use that, and this one has a little bit more deeper. Yeah, this one has like a little bit more like, what is it when it's like
What, like Fallout?
Fallout. There you go. Thank you.
Bing, bing, bing.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna start off with a little bit because
That looks really pigmented.
really pigmented. Well, you know what? It's a lot of fallout on the pan, but not on your face. Like, I'm surprised.
Yeah, like
there's no fallout.
Nothing's
on
falling out on my
whatsoever.
face.
That's really, really good. She's looking good, guys. Alright, so
That looks so nice. Yeah.
alright guys, so what I did is a half cut crease off camera because that's like the longest process of this whole look. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the color, and we're gonna transition the outer corner with the color Hustle. For this color, I'm going to use a different palette. I'm gonna use the Carnival palette by Stacey. And that's the only color that I'm gonna use from this palette. Kind of like a flat brush, and this is kind of like a gold shimmery shade with the tint of green. I'm just gonna use that to transition from the outer corner into the middle part of the lid. I'm just gonna tap it. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just do this eye first. And then I'm going to jump into a green color. It's going to be the color Lime. So right here. I've been dying to use this color, so it's like, you got the palette?
That's my favorite.
First, I'm gonna go in without any like water. I'm gonna spray. So now I'm going to use another flat brush and I'm going to do more of a brighter inner corner. I'm going to use that white one that comes in with your palette, which is Icy. I'm just going to put ice. We're going to do into that. I'm just going to add a little bit of like green. But this time I'm going to spray it because I really want that color to pop. Okay, so I think that we're pretty much set. That's one eye. Now I'm going to start off on the other eye, just finish it off, do the same thing again to this side, off of camera, and alright, so we are done with the eyes. Now the next step is the face. So we will be using the Wet n Wild foundation, and crystals on the color, we don't need to know, medium. Okay, and for her foundation, she likes applying it with the beauty sponge.
The first time she's putting on foundation on my face.
I know.
Don't kick me up.
I know. I usually, like, I think I only did once her eyes.
You only did my eyes and I did my foundation. Approved.
Some concealer. And we're just going to do a little bit because this is a really thick foundation. I mean foundation concealer. And I'm going to put some a little bit like in the spots. We need correction. That's it. And this is the color light medium. We're going to use, it's already those were rose water, the best rose water ever. This is the Badescu rose water. And then I'm gonna do the Fenty. Have you ever tried the Fenty? That one's really good. Like the sheet tape one is
Original.
The original.
Too fancy. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is he taking out the pot?
You don't want to come out? You don't want to come out?
But I got the way.
Oh.
I'm a hot box hoarder. Check out another. So look how pretty.
Yeah, the texture is so cute.
Hot box is like a small. And then that, I'm gonna use it to just okay, next we're gonna go and jump into baking powder. This is the Fenty Beauty setting powder, not baking powder. I'm gonna use my favorite brush for highlighter. It's the Morphe brush to base. Dude, why doesn't my highlighter look that long on my nose? This looks good. And on your upper lip too looks good. Why does it look better on you than on me? It's really good. Alrighty. And then I'm just gonna use some of this MAC Studio Fix powder. Just a little bit. next we are going to do the bronzing part. For the bronzer, I'm going to use the Bahama. The Balm. Bahama Mama. Perfect. We're going to do the contouring. So, let me know what you think about this bronzer. What do you think?
Can't really see. Oh, it's nice. I like it. It's really like subtle, but it's good. Like,
yeah, like
it
muddy.
shows. Yeah, no, it's not muddy at all. Yeah.
Dude.
I bought this once like years ago, and there's still some.
I'm telling you, MAC products last
Like
for a long
that
time.
shit fucking lasts.
Seriously. So now that we've done the bronzing, the highlighting, the baking, oh, you know your eyes really stand out with the eyeshadow. You look like really brown. Like really like anyways, enough complimenting her. Alright, so let's go ahead and do your lower lash. We're gonna do this side. Now we're gonna do the this side. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So I'm gonna use the yellow color from the BH Cosmetics palette, the color Flower. And then I just added Karma right below that one. I'm gonna go and grab Passion Fruit again, a dark burgundy color on the smaller definer brush. I'm just gonna drag it closest to the lash line as possible. So I think we are pretty good, right? Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much it. Now we are going to spray the base. Okay, this one smells like rose water. I love this one. This one's my favorite. It's only $7.99. Here, next we just let that dry a little. Okay, so now we're done with the palette. Right? We can pretty much put it aside. And we are going to have her put on her lashes because I'm a little iffy about putting lashes. And put on your lashes, lipstick, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we are done, finally. This is the finished product. I think it came out pretty damn good. What do you think?
Expired.
Yeah, I love it. Palette, I give it 10 out of 10. I give it 10. What do you give it?
Same.
Yeah, me too. At first I thought like, oh, BH Cosmetics, and it's not really like a well-known like, oh, like it's not really like a, you know, they don't really hype it up.
Yeah.
But it was really pigmented, huh? Like if they surprised me like 100, like I highly recommend it, and it's like what, like 20 bucks, 23 bucks or something like that.
Like 24 bucks with shipping if you
Yeah.
order online.
I really liked it. Nothing bad to say. Fallout, none whatsoever. And the colors were pigmented AF. So yeah, I think that's pretty much the end of our Get Ready With Us first review on the BH Cosmetics / Stacey Marquez. If you guys want to see how I recreated my look, go ahead and just comment down below. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, yeah, feel free to go ahead and just comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.
Peace.
Bye.